The Rapid City Area Schools app requisition process ends with please review app requisition request email. Once you have this email in your inbox, go to your iPad and search for the Rapid City Area Schools App Manager. There's a couple of ways you can find it. You can flip through the screens, but personally, I like to drag down on one of the free areas in between the apps and find the search box. I'll type in Manager, and the Manager app will pop right up. I'll tap on that and it'll open up the portal for all the apps for the Rapid City Area Schools iPads. Today I'm installing Blockly, so I'll scroll down looking in alphabetical order for Blockly, and I'll tap Install Update once I find it. The app will start to load instantaneously. You can also have your students do this process for you so that you're not installing the app on absolutely all of the iPads. As soon as the app starts to load, you can wait for it, and once that's done, you can start using your app.